Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Don Bell compilation. Pero alam mo, may problema ako ngayon. Kasi pag sinesearch ko yung Don Bell, kahit ang PGT ni Donnie Pangilinan, hindi ko siya nasi-search. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari. Gusto ko nang gumawa ng reaction video talaga ng Don Bell. Pero kasi yung mga compilation na andito, medyo luma. Pero hindi ko pa din naman napapanood. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Tingnan natin, okay? Yung bumoto ka lang, ang swerte niya naman. Nanalo ang Kiko Bam. Huwag kayong ano-ano. Swerte naman. Katabi mo si Bell bumoto. Can you just imagine? Can you just imagine? Ang swerte naman ito. Di ba? Pakalaki naman. Okay. Ay, para siyang si ano doon, para siyang si River Cruz. Mashed potato, di ba? Ay! Uy, napanood ko yung video event niya. Yung ginawa ko na reaction video, ang lala. Ang galing niya doon, mami. Ginawa niyang concert. Wait. Espresso. Yeah, I know this song. Ganda talaga. Ano pa siya dito? Demure. Hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi na siya demure. Pero the way siya mag-perform ngayon, ibang-iba na. Grabe ang fierce. Grabe na ang fierce ngayon kung mag-perform siya. Espresso. It's a song. Okay. Ay, bakit naputol? Ba yan? Espresso. Okay. Ang ganda ni Belle. Napakaganda ni Belle. Yes. Total performer na talaga si Belle. In fairness to her. Total performer. Ay, hindi mo kayang backup dancer. What a slow-mo.
Ano din kidish?
Ito yung concert na kasama si Dennis Julia. Ganda niya talaga. Bagay na bagay talaga sila ni Donnie. Diba? Hindi mo kaya. Okay. Ay, ito yun. Ito yung malalang performance nila. I remember this one actually. Grabe si Belle. Parang dito. Ay, grabe si Belle. Hindi ko kaya. Grabe, no? Grabe din si Julia dito. Ew. Hindi ni Belle. Ang cute din ni Belle, no? Total performer talaga siya. Anyways, next natin.
Sabi nila,
Ay, ano to? Ano to? Ano to ba si Donnie? Ay, in love nga talaga. Hindi na nga eh, sila na nga eh. Anyways, i-search na natin yung doorbell. Baka naman may mga bago na lumabas for today's video. Ay, ito. Patingin, ito talaga daddy si Donnie. Hindi mo kaya talaga siya. Daddy na talaga si Donnie. Charis. Daddy. Ay, ayan na si Belle. Loko. Full performance pala ito, mga mare. Ay, si Donnie, oh. Iba talaga si Donnie. Iba na talaga siya. Ay, ang lala ni Belle. Ay, pak. Si Donnie. Good, ay, ito ay contact na never disappoints. Right? Ay, loko. Grabe yung sigawan. Ay. Ay, tara. Don't sulata. Very don't sulata. Hindi mo kaya. Ang grabe si Donnie. Ang grabe. Oh my God, grabe si Donnie. Oh my God, ang lala. Ang lala, mami. Kinikilig din si Donnie. In fairness kay Donnie, kinikilig din siya. Nakakamiss. Wala siya masyadong ayuda ngayon. Ay, hello. Uy, talaga may bulungan pa talaga dapat mo yan. Anyways, what's next? Napanood na natin ito. Ay, hello. Pak. In fairness sa mga gown nila, ginagastosan talaga nila. Para talaga si Jeremy. Special people.
very close.
She's probably one of the closest people to me. I think it's because we've shared a lot together and we are still doing a lot of stuff together. So I feel like she's also someone I can trust a lot, and that's rare to find nowadays. Trust.
For me,
Trust.
he finishes my sentences and I finish his sentences. I think that's how we are to each other.
Mm-mm.
On and off cam, he's the person I can run to, and I can rant to him anytime and call him anytime, and he's that person in my life.
Ay,
No, I'm shy.
Sige na, don't be
don't shy. Ay, may close. Ay. Ay, may double heart.
We talk.
There was one time on set, you had to go na to the next location, but you weren't okay pa. And I was doing a scene. I asked Derek if I could leave to drive to her first. So he stopped muna for a bit, and we talked about it. And I think it worked out.
That was okay, yeah.
Okay. Anyways, there you go guys. This is for today's video. We're done, Belle.